This is going to be a review of the SIVNN knee memory foam pillow. Now, the good thing is that my back went out again yesterday, so I'm going to be able to show you how this thing is used. The advantage of a pillow like this is it is small and compact, so it's going to stay at your knees. You can go to the store and buy body pillows that go from your neck all the way down to your waist, and they're uncomfortable and they're very difficult to use. This is small, it's easy, it's perfect if you have hip problems, which I do, sciatica, which I do, ankle problems, leg problems, lower back problems. I've got the whole thing. I've had it my whole life. And so let me show you, made out of memory foam, and so it will contour to your body and the heat will help it. Very firm. Looks like you can take the cover off and machine wash it. So let me show you how something like this is used. The idea behind this pillow is that when you look at the body, when you walk, your legs are separated a certain distance to give room for your spine and your hip. And when you sit down, you have the same thing. You have an opening over here. Now, most of us, when we sleep, let me show you. Most of us, when we sleep like this. So what you're doing is you're pushing the legs together when you're on your bed, and you're not giving your hips the space they need. Just by doing this, I feel so much better. And that's the idea behind this memory pillow. You put it between your legs. It gives you just enough of that gap so that it takes the pressure off the spine. See, I'm going to move the pillow out of the way. And you can see the gap that you need so that you do not have pressure on your lower spine. So a pillow like this is excellent for people that are pregnant, or again, if you've got the lower back problem, which I do, or the hip problem. Now, it's just easy because it's small, it's compact. You can turn it this way if you want a little bit more room. But look at my legs. See the legs? So you've got the separation of the hips, the pelvic area, and it makes it much more comfortable for you when you sleep. And that is the advantage of getting a pillow like this. Very reasonably priced. Half the price of what you would find in the store for the full body pillows that go from here all the way down, and they just become bulky and very uncomfortable. And this is just easy. It doesn't get in the way when you are under a blanket. I'm on my sofa right now. That's where I sleep all the time, and this is the perfect pillow if you have lower back problems, sciatica problems, hip problems, back problems. It just keeps the legs separated. Oh, boy, does that feel good. It keeps the legs separated at the right spacing so that it takes the pressure off the lower back and the spine. Hopefully my review helped you. Please do a thumbs up, subscribe, or a like. If you have a product you want me to review, let me know. If you want to donate to my PayPal page, ask for my info, and thanks for watching the video. Definitely a 5-star product. It's really good. It just feels incredible. You can even use it laying down, stretched out like this. It's just very comfortable.